पैकेट 100 में 2 पैकेट
नहीं भैया, everywhere shoes guys. और ये original. Wow, this is ras malai guys. Wow, this is the malai. Hello guys, welcome back. We are going to Siliguri to see what's up. Jay wants to buy underwear guys. So we got down at Sevok Mode. Guys, it was not much crowded this time because we got seats. Okay, welcome to Siliguri guys. First of all, we'll pick your eardrops.
Airdrops, yeah.
Yeah, we'll pick your eardrops. Let's go. Check that out guys. So many flowers. Oh, so many birds. Oh, and there's a big bison. Welcome to Thangal Bazaar. There's the clock tower also. Big Ben. So we are here. I don't know which place this is, but it looks nice. Now let's pick up our eardrops guys. Let's go. Let's get our eardrops. This looks like a mall, but this is not a mall.
International
This
market.
is mall. Oh, it has a name. International market guys. Let's go. Here we are. Let's pick up our eardrops. Jay is happy now. So the eardrops were not working, so we came here to the Apple service center. So it was free fixing guys.
They didn't fix, they replaced it.
Oh, fixed replacement. Oh, free replacement. Which one is the? Now we'll head out to Hong Kong market. So I've been here once long ago in 2019 with Abhishek and Preeti. Yeah, you don't know who is Preeti. She knows herself. Now let's go to Hong Kong market guys. And it's about to rain. It's gloomy weather. And now we are stuck in this roundabout because the traffic went green achanak. That's a nice tree. It's wow, on top of the road in the middle. So we are going to enter some sort of market which is not yet Hong Kong market, but I think this is a part of Hong Kong market. So yeah, let's see what we can find for me and Jay. Now we have reached some sort of grocery market and a red Toto. Okay. My shoes all khatam. Fruit market guys. And I think we are in the wrong Hong Kong market because we reached the highway again. My guide guys. Jay is my guide. Coconut water lover guys. In the comment section below, coconut water. It's not hot, so it's good. The weather is good. This side also Hong Kong market.
No, next.
Okay. I just hope it don't rain. Otherwise we all get wet all together.
Quality.
What? Oh, okay, quality ice cream. So this part of the market is a bit nice because there's no kichad. And yeah, but this still don't look like Hong Kong market to me. Okay, so this looks like it guys. We are there, the Hong Kong market. Oh, so many glasses. So I'll have to buy a pair of sunglasses because I am poor. Okay, this is the Hong Kong market guys. Gate number 2. Okay, Hong Kong market gate number 2. Lots of gold and silver. And wow, this looks like Hong Kong. I thought I was in Hong Kong for a while. I forgot that I was in India. Damn, Hong Kong guys.
Full of Thai people.
Oh, shoe market. Everywhere shoes guys. Original. Wow, nice. I need to change my shoes. Original shoes everywhere. Wee. Nice. Oh, G-Shockers. Wow. So we are here to buy clothes for Jay. Jay wants clothes guys.
Shirt.
Oh, Jay wants shirt.
This
guys.
thing looks nice.
Okay, this is the place guys.
James, nice.
It looks nice if it's cheap. So this is what I like guys. In the comment section below, how do I look?
Nice.
Now heading out for. Nahi bhaiya. Thank you. So we are looking for something else now. Let's go left. Let's take left and see what we can find here. Started to rain. Rain, rain, go away. Oh, we need to buy sunglasses. Now we are inside market. Palika Bazaar, guys. This is under cover. Yeah. Oh, a mosquito bat from electronic store. Yeah. So I was looking for a mosquito bat also. Let's find mosquito bat. So many jewelries for girls. I need to find short pants because summer is approaching. Oh, sunglasses, sunglasses. This is what we came for. My shoes is dirty. Okay. Wow, this is so nice. We got mosquito bat.
250 वो torch वाला आता है वो है.
Okay, so I don't know. Oh, girls, you can choose now. I will buy for you. We got the bat now. Oh, I mean racket. Now we have to look for sunglasses. Let's get ourselves a pair of Ray-Bans. If you want this one, I'll buy for you, girls.
अबे साले.
I look good already. I don't have to choose. भैया कितने का?
250.
भैया इतना ज़्यादा दाम क्यों बोल रहे हो? My brother thinks I look good in this. I don't think it looks that good. I want all black. It has this gradient thing.
Oh yeah.
I don't like this gradient वाला.
सब्सक्राइब कर देता है ना.
हाँ भैया सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार please. Yes, I got one new subscriber, guys. My dream life. हाँ बस यही बात. हाँ यही.
71 के सब्सक्राइबर.
Yo, thank you for subscribing.
ये वाला पूरा black नहीं होगा.
पूरा black नहीं है?
पूरा black होगा ना तो.
Let's see here if he has the same type of design. This one looks kind of good, but a bit small. Hold this one. Small, right? चश्मा ही है. Oh, वो वाला दिखाना. नहीं उसका next का. हाँ. Cheap quality. Little bit of disappointment. I think I look good in this. I'm not sure. Guys, in the comment section. I'm trying to bargain in the price. I'm not sure how much Bhaiya will give me. Bhaiya, अब बताओ मैं बोल रहा हूँ 100.
100 थोड़ी नहीं है.
भैया 100 में दे दो.
दोनों चाहिए तो.
दो लेगा ना तो 100 में दो दे दो.
दोनों का आपको 450 दीजिए.
अरे
नहीं.
अरे भैया क्यों?
क्वालिटी देख
भैया आप आने वाले हो मेरे व्लॉग में लोग आएंगे यहाँ पे आपको.
आएगा तो किंतु खरीदना नहीं हो उनसे कहाँ से देगा.
खरीदने के लिए
शीशा वाला दे रहा है, फाइबर वाला नहीं दे रहा है ना.
अरे नहीं, आपको दुआ लगेगा. लॉस नहीं लगेगा. ये लो भाई. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go. So I got this, guys. I paid like he was like first he was like 800 for two. 900 for two, and then we ended up with Kichar. Now we came here to buy socks. Ankle
एक
wala.
जोड़ी का 100.
It says black, even in white. We're gonna take this one. We the cheap people. Now it's time to head back home because we bought everything we need, and actually not. Actually, we haven't bought everything we need. We'll look for the other remaining stuff at Naxalbari because I need pair of earphones, and let's see what else. I don't know. I'm confused and I'm hungry also. And okay, now let's find bus. So that was it from Hong Kong market, guys. So this is the first time we got seat in a bus. Now we are returning home. Let's look cool on the way back home. James cool. J uncool. Okay. Now let's go to Naxalbari. Next Naxalbari. We got down from the bus and my shoes. Wow. I came from the Lobuk. So we are at Naxalbari bus stop again. Now we need to buy earphones. And before that we will have Ras Malai. Nice. And after that, we'll take home biryani. Haven't had biryani in a long time, so we'll see how the swad of biryani is here. Thank you. Nice. This is ras malai, guys. Wow. This is the malai on top. What type of ras malai is this? There's balls. Ras malai balls.
Why is this frozen?
It's good actually.
So good.
Yeah, so good, guys. Highly recommended.